While being the target of narcissistic abuse is stressful and hurtful, many narcissists are unaware of how their actions impact others. If they are aware that others feel negatively about them or about their choices, they often lack the ability to take responsibility for their actions or to see them as wrong. Hi, I'm Maggie, Holland, and I'm a licensed mental health counselor specializing in recovery from narcissistic abuse. And it's important to know that while people may show signs of narcissism, that doesn't necessarily mean that they have a personality disorder. In order for a person to be diagnosed with narcissistic personality disorder, their symptoms must be present across most areas of their life, and they won't change over time. Someone showing narcissistic traits can display negative behavior sporadically or only in certain situations. A person with true narcissistic personality disorder will have exploitative relationships across all areas of their life. At work, in their romantic relationships, with friends, with family. They won't be able to take accountability for their actions, whereas someone who's only displaying narcissistic traits is typically able to do so. So do narcissists know that they're narcissists? In order to answer this question a little bit more fully, it's important to understand the difference between ego-syntonic and ego-dystonic behaviors. Ego-syntonic behaviors are ones that align with our ego. That means that our thoughts, our wishes, our feelings, our impulses, our behaviors all align with who we feel we are as a person and with our core personal values. We can act upon and feel these things without our moral compass raising alarm bells. Those with ego-syntonic disorders, such as narcissism, are unaware and unfazed by how others view their desires. They don't see their symptoms as problematic because they align with their internal belief system. On the other hand, ego-dystonic behaviors are when we have experiences that do not align with our internal beliefs. These might include intrusive thoughts or feelings that usually feel wrong to us. So an ego-dystonic disorder is one where the person's symptoms don't go with their belief system, and that could look like obsessive compulsive disorder. In short, people with narcissistic personality disorder truly believe that they are better than other people. And since they lack empathy, they struggle to understand and recognize the issue with treating other people poorly, or being highly critical of others, or treating people like they're not as good as them. They truly believe that it is all right to use any means necessary to fulfill their needs. Because of this, acting without empathy won't set off moral alarm bells for a narcissist like it would for anyone else. They may recognize that other people view them negatively, but they won't take accountability for this. They might just feel that the other person is unable to understand them or isn't worthy of their time. So final thoughts. Living with a narcissist in your life can be incredibly stressful. Understanding the condition better can help you manage your own expectations and give yourself permission to prioritize your own needs. While most people with narcissistic personality disorder are not aware that they are narcissists, it's important to remember that no abuse is acceptable or excusable.